Hi sisters, welcome to Ashi Sarees Fashion. Please subscribe my channel for regular updates. Today we are going to see trendy party and festive wear sarees collections. First let us see stunning look party wear soft net jacquard sarees in fabulous colors. All over beautiful sequence work in the saree, and saree comes with heavy mono Bengaluru silk blouse piece with sequence work sleeves. Price is 830 rupees including shipping in India. Next, Sana silk sarees in attractive colors. Ari mirror work in all over the saree and Kanchi style jacquard weaved attached border, and also comes with contrast blouse piece. Price is 790 rupees including shipping in India. Next, Banarasi Maheshwari cotton soft silk sarees in lovely colors. Saree comes with all over jari weaved new design and beautiful contrast weaved border with rich pallu, and also comes with contrast brocade blouse piece. Price is 1250 rupees including shipping in India. Next, Banarasi organza sarees in wonderful colors. Saree comes with all over jari weave design and beautiful contrast border and rich pallu, and also comes with contrast blouse piece. Price is 1900 rupees including shipping in India. Next, Aura cotton silk sarees in wonderful colors. Soft and silky saree comes with all over contrast jacquard weaved border and running blouse, and also comes with contrast jacquard blouse piece. Price is 899 rupees including shipping in India. Next, elegant Banarasi Chinia silk sarees in amazing and attractive colors. Best quality jari with Meena weaved design in all over the saree and finest weaved contrast border and pallu, and also comes with contrast blouse piece. Price is 1750 rupees including shipping in India. Next, trendy linen organza sarees in attractive and wonderful colors. Saree comes with all over beautiful embroidery and sequence work design and contrast piping border, and also comes with contrast raw silk with embroidery sequence work blouse piece. Price is 899 rupees including shipping in India. My dear sisters, if you like this video, please share to your friends. Thanks for your amazing support. Keep supporting to my channel. We will meet in new video with new collections. Bye sisters.